Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this episode of this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use your COINW exchange app to place a position, a short position with it. So using future derivatives trade signals. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on that notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. So without wasting much time, let's get to the video. Right here, as you can see, this is your COINW exchange app, so you're just going to click on it. Once you click on it, this is your home page of your COINW exchange app. If you're watching this video, you don't have an account with COINW exchange app, there will be a link in the description below where you can click and create your account and also get a discount for doing that. So right now on your COINW exchange app right here, you're just going to click on these futures right here. You click on the futures. Once you click on it, this is how it's gonna look like. So right here, let's go to our Telegram channel where the signal has been dropped. So right here is our Telegram channel. As you can see, this is the signal that has been dropped. Crypto pair .USDT direction short, which means sell. You can see the risk 1%. Always risk 1% of your capital. As a newbie trader, risk what you are comfortable losing. Leverage 1 to 3x. So right now, let's go to our COINW exchange app and search for our crypto pair. Right here on our COINW exchange app, if you want to search for any crypto pair, you tap right here. You tap right there. So I'm just going to tap here. Now right here, I'm going to search for .USDT. So if you want to search for it at this point, is where you tap and search for any crypto pair. So right now I'm just going to search for .USDT. So right here you can see this is our .USDT. So I'm just going to click on it. Once I click on it, you can see right here it has appeared, and you can see this is how it looks like. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to set our leverage. So on our Telegram channel here, leverage says 1 to 3x leverage. So right now let's go to our COINW exchange app to set our leverage. So on your COINW exchange app, if you want to set your leverage, you click right here where you're seeing this, you click on it. So once you click on it, you see where they are showing cross and isolated right here. Once you click on this cross, that means you're using cross margin, you're using the whole capital on your wallet to trade, which is not recommendable as a new beginner trader. Isolated is the recommended margin for new beginners traders, so we always recommend you use isolated. Always risk what you're comfortable losing. So right now, here is where you change it to 3x leverage. Right here you can use the slider. You can use the slider right here. So you change it to 3x leverage. After you're done changing it, you can now click on confirm right here. You can click on confirm right here. So you click on confirm and you can see right here our leverage has changed. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel and search for our entry price. So right here, as you can see on our Telegram channel, you can see the entry price right here, which is 4.354. So let's go to our COINW exchange app to set our entry. So right here is where you type in your entry. Right at this point is where you type in your entry. So I'm just going to type in my entry right here. So right here I'm just going to type in my entry, which is 4.353, right? So right here is where you select the amount of USDT you want to use for this trade. You want to use $10, you type in $10. You want to use $50, you type in $50. So if you don't want to be using USDT right here, you can click on this icon, then you change it Once you change it, you can use the coin, which means the dots, the quantity of the coin. So you can decide to buy 2 dots or 3 dots, so as the case may be. So right now we are using USDT. You just type in 50 USDT, and once you type in 50 USDT, you can see the cost of it right here. You can see the cost is showing right here. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to set our take profit. But before that, on our COINW exchange app, you tap right here. You can see, once you tap right there, you can see your take profit right here and your stop loss. So right now let's go to our Telegram channel to set our take profit and stop loss. Always remember to do that, because that is your defensive zone. On our Telegram channel, you can see our take profit right here. You can see our take profit right here, which is 4.295. so let's go back and set it. 4.295. So our stop loss right here, you can see our stop loss right here. You can see our stop loss right here, which is 4.412. So let's go back to our COINW exchange app to set our stop loss. In your stop loss, which is 4.412. So after you've set everything, you see that it has been confirmed. So you can now click on this sell icon right here. You click on this sell. So once you click on this sell, then you can click on confirm right here. You can click on this confirm icon right here. Once you click on it, you will see your orders. You will be waiting right here on this open orders. Right now there is no available balance, that's why you're not seeing any orders right here. So if there is balance there, you can see your orders will be right on this open orders right here. Once the market reach the price you placed on this trade, then it will trigger and it will be on position right here. So this is the simplest way to place a trade using future trade derivatives signals on your COINW exchange app. So thank you for watching this video up to this time. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so you get notified whenever we post an important video like this. And also there will be a free link in the description below to our free Telegram channel where we share free trade signals every single day. Do well to check it out, and see you in the next video.